Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to enable collaboration invites notifications from people you follow on Instagram using your PC. If you want to stay updated on collab requests without missing a beat, especially after the latest Instagram update, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see several icons. Click on your profile icon. It's usually your profile picture at the bottom of the menu. Now that you're on your profile page, look for the notifications option in the menu. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the notifications settings. Here's where you can customize how and when Instagram notifies you about different activities. Next, find the section labeled Push Notifications. Click on it to open up more detailed notification settings. This is where you can control notifications that pop up on your device, including collaboration invites. Scroll down until you see the collaboration invites section. This is the new feature that allows you to fine-tune who can send you collaboration invite notifications. By default, it might be set to everyone or off. To make sure you only get notified about collaboration invites from people you actually follow, select the option that says, From Profiles I Follow. That's it. You've now successfully enabled collaboration invite notifications from profiles you follow, right from your PC. This means you'll only get notified when someone you follow sends you a collab invite, helping you avoid unnecessary notifications from random accounts. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more up-to-date Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.